TikTok is the fastest growing social media platform with a staggering 500 million active users, 1.5 billion downloads globally, minting music hits, memes, challenges, and even lots more. This Chinese-owned app shares interesting 60 to 15 seconds short videos that can be shared across multiple social media platforms. In this video, I share some tips and tricks I have learned by using the app. Just so you know, you can go from 0 followers on TikTok to over 10,000 followers in less than a month and also get paid using it. Now, let's get your TikTok journey started. The first thing you will notice when you open the TikTok app is the For You or Following just right above right there. Now what this does is that it pulls up the TikTok algorithm, literally pulls up content that you might like on the For You page, that maybe interesting content from some of their biggest subscribers or just regular videos that they feel that you might find interesting. This is just the algorithm. Your following is basically people that you like that content and you have decided to follow. TikTok video you like, you can just click on the music icon and it take you right here where you can share to various social media platforms of your choice, and also do a duet, do a reaction, add to your favorite list, whatever you want. It is extremely free. Now here is the music that was literally playing behind the song or this video. Now you can see a lot of people who have shared or created their own type of content surrounding that sound or music. You can also add it to your favorites, so you can share it or use it at a later date depending on your own preference, or you might just save it because you particularly like or love it. Now, why you need to go pro with TikTok? Now with TikTok Pro, it helps you analyze your analytics. That means it shows you how your page is faring. To post a particular content, what your followers like, how to get them interested, everything you need to know about growing your page. This is what the Pro feature helps you do, and it's important that you also download it so you can also elevate your TikTok game. Now, how to edit on TikTok? Basically, I'm just going to pull up a video from my album just to show you guys just a very, very brief history of how to just edit, quick, fast edits on your TikTok page. Now, right here, you can on portrait, you can use various filters, F9, F4, S1, S2. You have like an arsenal of filters to use on your image, or rather your videos, 60 to 15 seconds videos. You cannot just upload a picture like that. It needs to be in a video format. Now, when applying text to your video, it is very, very important that you are extremely smart about it. The one rule you want to ensure is that, number one, you want to have very readable fonts. I always advise people to stick with classic. Every other thing can really oppress the eyes depending on who your audience is. So you want to stay away from maybe handwriting or typewriter. But even if you want to use it, you need to really be smart about it. Ensure that whatever you're writing is extremely readable. Now, for this particular content, I'm going to be using classic. That is literally my default font for TikTok. So now, if you want to also use TikTok, I also advise that you just go to classic and basically use it for all your videos. It helps for a more readable, more smooth, very, very calming content consumption. Now, when creating, this is how you can move your content or your text around and place it at whatever place you want it to be in. Now, this is number one rule of thumb when using text on a video on TikTok. You want to avoid some core areas. Now, I'm going to be pulling up a sticker or a GIF just to highlight areas that you should be very, very that you must tread lightly when you're trying to use font for TikTok. Now I'm going to be selecting this ball pen to highlight an area where you should not put text, or you should be very careful when putting text. This area is very, very tricky because sometimes when you put text there, it is not readable. So you want to put text in areas that your audience, whoever is going to watch your video, is going to read, understand, and consume your content. And also stay clear of typos. You don't want to have typos in your text. You don't want people wondering, what are you trying to say, what are you trying to express, what is the message that you're trying to carry across when you are creating content on TikTok. These are just very, very small, minute mistakes that people make that are almost unforgivable, because it's 60 seconds. You really, really, really want to captivate the attention of your audience. Okay? So I'm going to be deleting that now, so we can get started in some more interesting stuff. Now, how to start or add duration or edit in your video. I'm going to be creating more words to follow this particular video so that it can help you through. So I can just give you like a very, very short, brief, distinct explanation on how to use text in TikTok. So by clicking the text, you can either set the duration or edit it to whatever style or font or color that you like. So I'm just positioning these three words: beautiful, waterfall, and in love, just to show you how to place text. You can present. You can also incorporate your own ingenuity and your creativity when using text in TikTok. Now for the first one, beautiful, this is how I'm going to place it. Just so by dragging it, you can decide where it starts and where it stops. It's really, really basic editing skill. Just by clicking it, just set duration, and you can drag and drop, and like that it disappears and you don't see it again. So that's where your position to be. The next one, I'm going to show you how to move it so that it falls exactly where you want it to fall. So by holding down this banner, you can literally move it from side to side. Then this is for the last one, and just by dragging to the end, it just comes up at the end. So when you are reading, or rather when you're watching a TikTok video, you can see how it just comes up and goes and comes up and goes, and it's very, very aesthetically pleasing to the eyes, without necessarily being too forceful. And you can just enjoy the whole video and just read along with the text without it being overpowering or just overly in your face. So I'm just going to be deleting the fonts that I've already written, because I just want to share this beautiful video. I think the video speaks for itself. You don't need too much text or that might actually disturb the flow of what you're trying to create or communicate with your video. Just share it and it is fine. Now, I love to add music in all of my content. If you've watched my Insta story video, you'll know that I love music when creating content. Now, when you go to the search bar, it pulls up different types of music that you can use for your video, from trending TikTok trending music to viral music to interesting, whatever it is going to pull up different ones. The ones that are associated to trends in your own environment, going to pull them up so that you have your spot for choice concerning music to use for your own content or for the content you're trying to create. So I'm just going to select something and put it on my video and just share it. So I'm just basically doing this for sharing sake, because I'm actually doing a tutorial. If I was doing a particular video for myself, I'd actually take more time creating this, but for the sake of a tutorial, I'm just going to be showing you how to just do quick, short, fast, extremely interesting and engaging posts for your TikTok. Now this is a very good example of one of my followers that I love to watch. This is how she's using her text to drive her message. You can see how smart she is by not allowing the text to fall too low on her page. So she's mostly using the top and the sides to drive her message. Now in TikTok, if somebody has too much text, you can always pause the video, read what the person is trying to say, then play it to continue what the video is all about. And it's really nice and interesting. Like that, you have it. We're good to go. And on the search bar also, you can look at what's trending, the hashtag that is trending. You can jump on trends. It will also help you get your video to the For You page. It is one of the most important places for your videos to land. The live photo feature is one of my particular favorites. Now when you see a video on TikTok that you like, by clicking the share arrow or the share button, you can actually save that particular video and use it as your wallpaper. Literally, how cool is that? This is like one of my biggest features. However, it is not all videos that might offer this. So now save this. I can either use it for my homepage or my wallpaper, and this is my wallpaper right now. I can see the video playing literally in the background. How cool is it? This is the coolest thing that TikTok for me offers outside of TikTok, because it takes the experience outside the app. Now, how to create a video. So I'm just going to be pulling up a video from my album to share and to show you how to edit a video quick and easy. Now I'm really loving this or rather reminiscing on this Pills and Potion video by Nicki Minaj. Oh my god. So you can position the video however you want it to be in. You can also use stickers, transitions, whatever you want. The app also offers that. But honestly, for me, I would rather edit outside of the app, maybe using other editing softwares, than bringing it and posting it right there on the TikTok app, than just editing straight up on the app. I just feel it's just too much for me, and the app doesn't really offer so much for me to use. So you can use sounds, music, you can use text to add more substance or more content to what you're trying to already create. It's all up to you. You have that creative liberty to just do and undo, what you want to do when it comes to creating content on TikTok. Yeah, literally no rules here. So you have your visual, what you want your video to look like. There's the sticker option, there's transition, there's split, there's time. What time literally does is that if you want to fast forward it, you want to reverse it, whatever your options are, this helps you to achieve it here on TikTok. Now, when you're satisfied with what you have created on TikTok for your video, all you need to do is just to create your content, post it, and it is live on TikTok. And hopefully it might land on the For You page for other people to also experience and share your content if they like it. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching my videos. I hope this video was extremely helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe to the video. Also share your recommendations if you have any tips or tricks that I did not mention here and you know about. I love you guys too much. Bye.